Okay, so if you want to make a glass effect, that's nice. Just be sure to use a darker background because it doesn't really look that great on a light background like this, for example. So let's just take some random stuff and put it on top. This is just a frame. It's created right here, and then you just change the background if that's what you want. I'm just using this so you can like see blur basically some stuff. Let's just resize it a bit. So um, now let's take a rectangle shape. We're just gonna do some sort of a card, right? Something like this. Let's just round this a bit, like this. Okay, now let's just go to fill, click on it, go to gradient, make it white, both of them. The second one, drop it to 0 opacity, something like this. And the first one, you can also drop it to something like I don't know, like 60%. You can just play around with the settings, obviously. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now go and add a stroke that's almost uh, transparent, I guess. Something just for the accent. You can increase the stroke a bit if you want to. Okay, and now just go to effects and uh, add background blur, and then click on this background, whatever this is, like effect settings, and just increase the blur, and you should be looking at something like this. So it just looks like a glass effect. Like I said, you can play around with the values, so make it more or less transparent, adjust the gradient, change the colors, make it more dark, more light, stuff like that. But uh, this is what you basically end up with, and you can also like even add a bit of drop shadow, if that's what you want, like this. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. That's how I would do it. That's how I would make a glass effect in Figma. So yeah.